Hey dreamers, welcome back to Kitchen Table Dreams Beyond the Hustle. Here's the truth. The secret to making your dream work is all about making time for it. Whether you're balancing a full-time job, running a busy household, or juggling a side hustle, finding time doesn't have to feel impossible. Today, I'm sharing powerful productivity hacks that will help you make room for your dreams without sacrificing your sanity or your sleep. So let's get into it. Productivity hack number one. Friends, let's talk strategy here. All right. Productivity isn't about cramming more into your day, it's about doing what matters most. So, here are my three hacks to help you get started. Number one, time blocking. Think of time blocking as creating a recipe for your day. You're intentionally setting aside chunks of time for specific tasks. For example, you might dedicate 1 hour a day to creative work or planning your side hustle. The key here is that you must commit to it. Treat it like an unbreakable appointment with yourself. Number two, eliminate time wasters. Be honest. How much time do you lose when you are doing things that do not move the needle? Scrolling through social media, checking your emails every 5 minutes. These things are not moving the needle for you, friends. So start by identifying one or two tasks that don't serve you and replace that time with something intentional. Number three, batching tasks. Group similar tasks together to save time and energy. For example, if you are brainstorming content for your side hustle, spend one evening mapping out all of the ideas for the entire month instead of doing this week by week. Batching helps keep you focused and efficient. Now, let's explore two different schedules to show you how intentional time can fit into any lifestyle. If you are an early riser, then let's say you start your morning between 6 and 7, you do your morning routine, and you throw in some creative focus. So, journaling, brainstorming, or planning out your day. And then from 9 to 5, you do your day job or your primary responsibilities. From 6 to 7, you are focused on creative time. So, you're working on your side hustle or you're planning out your next steps. If you are like me and you don't really do those early morning hours, here's a different schedule for my night owls. So let's say you have a slower start in the morning, maybe 8 to 9 a.m. Set your intentions for the day, sip on your coffee or your tea, and then map out your priorities. From 9 to 5, do your day job or your primary responsibilities. From 8 to 9:30, this is where I will block off creative time. So this could be anything from designing, writing, or crafting your business plan. And then from 9:30 onward, turn off everything, the TV, your phone, all the things. Relax, reflect, and prioritize sleep. Remember, the goal isn't to do it all, it's to find pockets of time that work for you and use them intentionally. Even small, consistent efforts will add up. So, let's take this a step further. One way to maximize your productivity is to create anchors in your day. These are routines that signal it's time to shift gears. So let's dig into some examples of this. Um, you can light a candle or play specific playlists when it's time for creative work. Or end your day with a quick reflection. What did I accomplish today and what is next? If you think about this in the most fundamental way, when kids are in preschool and it's time, they have like their playtime and then it's time to clean up. How often do preschool teachers play? Clean up, everybody do your share, right? The kids know when they hear the song that now it's time for us to move from this thing we're doing right now into something else. That doesn't change. Use those same cues as an adult, put them in your business, and set these things up so that your brain will automatically go, oh, we're doing this now. And then you start to do the other things so that you can get your mindset where you need it to be. Another game changer, create a not to do list. Hear me out. Write down things that you're going to stop doing, like saying yes to everything. Don't do that. Or overscheduling yourself. Boundaries are just as important as action. And for those of you who listen to the Positive Voice podcast, you already know my saying: if it's not a hell yes, it's a no. So here's your challenge for today's video. I want you to take a close look at your calendar and block out 2 hours for your drink. This could be in one chunk spread across the week, or you can do this at one time, like just take 8 hours in one day to get it all done. Whatever fits your schedule, do what works best for you. Identify 2 tasks that are wasting your time and replace them with something intentional. Maybe it's swapping an hour of scrolling for brainstorming or spending your lunch break sketching out some new ideas. And then number 3, build one productivity anchor into your day. It could be as simple as starting with a gratitude practice to get into a focused mindset, or ending your day with a reflection on wins. Do not overthink this. Progress is always better than perfection. And if you want accountability, drop your plan in the comments below so that I and others can cheer you on. I get it. Life is busy, and sometimes making time feels impossible. But here's the thing: you, my friend, are worth the investment. You are worth investing in. Even small pockets of time can lead to big progress when you use them with intention. Every recipe for success starts with the one ingredient: action. And you've got everything you need to start right now. Now that you'll be managing your time like a pro, and I have a resource for you. If you just check down in the notes below, I will link you out to my time blocking tracker, and you can use that to help time block out your day. It is time for us to move to the next step in our next video, where we are going to create clear goals that align with our dreams. Make sure you're subscribed to Kitchen Table Dreams Beyond the Hustle. We have so much more to build together. If this video helped you rethink your productivity, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow creative, and do not forget to subscribe and sign up for the Kitchen Table Dreams newsletter for more tips, strategies, and inspiration. And if you are ready to go deeper, please apply for the Kitchen to Calling Mastermind experience. It's designed to turn your dreams into an actionable plan. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building with purpose.